Colombia. The country of birds. More bird species than any other country on Earth. In the heart of Colombia, Cali connects the Andes mountain range with the Pacific rainforest. Hummingbirds float like living jewels. A paradise for birders and photographers, with expert local guides and unforgettable trails. Colombia Bird Fair, the most important birding event in South America, hosted in Cali, Colombia. A city where nature is always near. A place to breathe, to listen, to contemplate. Bring your binoculars and your camera. The birds will do the rest. Visit Cali, Colombia, the city of birds, home of the Colombia Bird Fair. Where there are birds, there is hope.